Okay. मेरा जुगाड़. Come. Ready? So first you will enter for 4 bars means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Expressions क्या है? देखना है कि क्या कर रहे हैं कृष्णा. सब गोपियों के साथ खेल रहे हैं. And she is jealous. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. अब वो जो खेल रहे सबके साथ डांडिया वो हम बता रहे हैं. तो होगा 1, 1, 2, 1. अभी एक ही चक्कर लेना है. Turn to go right, left, up, down. जब राइट कर रहे हो you travel in front. You travel, but you don't travel up, down. इसका मूवमेंट कैसे है? घुमा के left hand is up, throw, down. Then you clap. 1, 2, 3, turn, turn, and reaction of Radha. ये सब तो रासलीला चल रही थी. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Tuck, tuck, up. Turn and right, left, up, down. Clap, 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 and turn, turn, and stop. Okay, only this much we try music. Ready? Be ready. Enter. Back. Turn. Clap. Is it clear to hear? अभी मधुबन में कैसे बताएंगे? मैंने आपको बताया था राइट हैंड घुमा के left hand and your leg will cross. So you go round and stop. So when the right hand goes, left hand starts moving, left hand goes behind the head, right hand is there. ठीक है? It's मध्य level, not up, not down. So मधुबन में कभी कान्हा किसी गोपी से मिली. ठीक है? कान्हा कैसे होगा? This is the pose. Look left side and start walking behind the left leg. 1, 2, 3. कभी मुस्काए, कभी छेड़े, कभी बात करे, राधा कैसे न जले. ठीक है? ये सब जैसे बोल है वैसे एक्शन है. Can we try this? Beginning till here. Be ready. Enter. bending towards the right. ठीक है, ऐसे रहेगा. लो एंगल है तो फेस कवर करो, but don't cover your face. So 1, 2, 3, and this is really fast. So 1 count it is. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. करो 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, very good. Only 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you travel right side. Okay. आगे तन मन में लगे बताना है. तो आप करोगे 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So join it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you walk left side. Abhi this is a very decorative movement like this. Your left hand will be on the shoulder, and your right hand is dola hasta like this. And you will just go 1, 2, 3. Okay, हम लोग कथक में नहीं ज़्यादा यूज करते इसको, तो हम लोग इसको सेमी क्लासिकल में पर्पसली आई एम डूइंग दिस. ओके, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Look. You have to look over the left shoulder. So you are here. You go half turn. Then you're telling your friends. बाकी सभी लोग को बोल रहे हो कि देखो क्या कर रहे हैं. So you go 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side. With music, you try this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. इसमें बहुत मैनली पॉस्चर रखना है, तो बहुत डेकोरेटिव या ऐसे नहीं होगा. Keep it relaxed. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you go here. Okay. Let's start with the music. Start it. Ready? So now comes the main part. Okay. मधुबन में कभी कान्हा किसी गोपी से मिले. तो वेट कैसे शिफ्ट हो रहा है? First it's going front on the left leg now. So first on the right leg, on the left leg, and then on the right leg, but you're looking left. Okay. From there, you change the style into volume. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then you come in front. किसलिए ये राधा जले 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2. When you do 1, 2, you do dipping behind. So you go 1, 2. ठीक है. उसके बाद फिर से हॉप करेंगे. Hop 2, 3, 4. Hop 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. With music, we try this. For you, मैं क्या करूँगा Music part. The music part, what you do? Last part, what you did? You clap. Now with the partner, the person next to you, you have to change. Come, my partner is this little girl. So we go 1, 2, 3, and face each other. Okay. How do you go? First, I'm going. My right shoulder is leading. So I'm going 1. Now left shoulder will lead. Now my right shoulder will lead, and I will face my partner. ठीक है, my partner is gone out, come closer. Now we do claps. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to clap your partner. 1, 2, 3, 4, and swing your right hand facing each other. Down, neck, movement. Now peek off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going towards your partner. Now this side person, the right side person will have to turn half. But you don't have to turn half. You have to just pose. So 1, 2, 3. So we are doing Krishna pose. First is Krishna pose like this. Second is here, and then in front you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again you do the same clap wala movement 4 times. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? The whole thing I'll teach you frontal. What you do? You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you clap with your partner. Clap. 2, 3, 4. Swing your right hand. Bring it down. Right left. ठीक है? उसके बाद आप आधा घूमना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then Krishna pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go 1, 2, 3 4। जिसके पास पार्टनर नहीं है वो ऐसे करेंगे बेचारे की तरह सामने, ठीक है? जिसके पास पार्टनर है वो पार्टनर के साथ करेंगे। लेट्स ट्राई विद म्यूजिक। बोलो। मैं बता रहा हूँ। That's the best part. भूल जाना is the best part. 3 4 5 6। चलो राधा देख रही क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे। बैक डांडिया। Ready?
मधुबन में जो कन्हैया किसी को पीस
5. Ready? Be ready. चल
में भले कान्हा